Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here with a wood that's not even a wood. It's almost like, bamboo, which is a grass, and they make it into boards and plywoods and call it wood. It's not wood, it's bamboo. This, my friends, is a very heavy, dense material, which I tried planing, and it does not like to be planed. You get that type of a grain, and then you get a modelly pattern. And how they make this, see if I can get this in camera. Is this side better? This is hemp wood. They take hemp, which is a fibrous plant, grows sort of like bamboo and corn, stalks. And they dry it and they press it. I don't know if they add oils, waxes, binders, heat, steam, pressure, and they make this heavy, dense stuff and they call it wood. This is one of the grain patterns you would get. My understanding is that it likes to be sawn with carbide saw blades. It will accept routers, carbide or diamond routers, and it will sand. But you can't use a thickness planer on it. I don't know if you can resaw this on a bandsaw, make it thinner. I don't know. Have not tried that. But I got some in as samples a while back, thinking I would like to try it, but even that dull thud, I'm not interested. So there you go, everybody. Now you know about hemp wood. The wood that isn't wood. It's a plant. I hope you found this interesting. Hemp wood, the green alternative. Walter out.